Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to build a mini library for all of your action figures, dolls, or stuffed animals. It's so easy even a caveman could do it. Let's get started. First, let's go over the tools and materials that you will need to complete this project. For the base, I'm using an 18 by 18 inch piece of 1/2 inch plywood. You can use whatever size you like, but make sure it's at least 1/2 inch thick. We're also going to need a jigsaw, a drill, a screwdriver, some wood glue, a measuring tape, a pencil, a level, and of course some paint or stain. And lastly, we're going to need some felt tip markers in different colors. Now before we start cutting, be sure to use a Sharpie to trace around your baseboard on the plywood. This is going to help us keep everything straight while we're cutting. If you want to get fancy, you can use a pattern and a straight edge to make sure that your cuts are perfectly straight. But I'm just using a jigsaw, so I don't have to worry about that. So let's go ahead and cut out our pieces. Next, we're going to drill some pilot holes. The depth of your pilot hole should be about half the thickness of your wood. That way, when you screw in your board, you won't have any splitting. We're also going to countersink all of our screws, so they sit slightly below the surface. This will make it easier to fill with wood glue, and also make your shelves look nicer. Next, let's paint or stain our shelves. I'm staining mine, so I'm going to wipe on some Minwax satin lacquer. Once it's dry, I'm going to apply 2 coats of polyurethane. You can skip this step if you're using paint. While the stain is drying, let's prepare our shelves for assembly. Apply a thin layer of wood glue to each of the 4 sides of the shelf where the boards will connect. Be careful not to get any glue on the outside edges. We don't want any glue squeezing out and making a mess. Once the glue is applied, let's set the boards in place and clamp them together. Be sure to check that everything is square while you're clamping. I'm also using some scrap wood to put under the clamps, so they do and damage the shelves. Let's leave these clamps on for about 24 hours so the glue has time to dry. The next day, let's remove our clamps and check to see that everything is still square. It looks good to me, so let's move on to the next step. Let's add some adhesive-backed felt pads to the bottom of our shelves. This will prevent the shelves from slipping on hardwood floors. Next, let's attach the backboard to the baseboard using some wood glue and finishing nails. Be sure to clamp everything in place while the glue dries. I'm also going to add some adhesive-backed felt pads to the backboard. This will prevent the bookcase from sliding on the wall. The final step is the fun part. Let's color our shelves with the Sharpies. My daughter had a lot of fun picking out colors and creating designs for each shelf. My only tip is to color the entire shelf, rather than just the edges. That way it blends in better with the toys on the shelves. And there you have it. A quick and easy DIY project that even a caveman could do. Just kidding. Don't invite any cavemen over. They're kind of smelly. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more DIY content. Thanks for watching.